Hi everyone, welcome to IT Gateway, your hub for tech, knowledge, tips and tricks. Today we are diving into the essential shortcuts that every IT system engineer must know to work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. As IT system engineer, efficiency is everything. Whether you are troubleshooting systems, managing networks or multitasking in remote session, knowing the right shortcut can save you precious time. In this video, I'll not only introduce these shortcuts but also demonstrate them practically so you can start using them immediately. Alright, let's start with how we open the task manager. So mostly to open the task manager we use Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. So let's check in the screen how it works. So Ctrl, Shift and ESC. So look at this one. So whenever you press Ctrl Shift and ESC, it will open the task manager. Mostly all of you know already. So what task manager is. So in IT support, so task manager is very important. Mostly like whenever like your client is calling regarding, oh my computer is very slow, I cannot log in, I cannot do this, do that. So the first things as IT support engineer, what I do is I'll open task manager, I'll check processor, like what is running here, like CPU is consuming 6%, like 46%, you know. So I'll check all these things. So after that I'll go with the performance, like why my CPU is very high. So the mostly what happen is, for example, if there is any unnecessary background application running in your computer, so that will make your computer very slow. So you can figure it out these things by opening task manager. So running task manager in a shortcut is very good in day-to-day tasks. Let's go to the second one. So the run command dialog. So let's get it done how it works. Control. So Windows R. So whenever you press Windows R, so it will open run command. So in run command, so you can type like command, so command prompt. So if you want to open command prompt, so you can just put like CMD and just click OK. So it will open command prompt. For example, so if you want to check your IP config, so I just type IP config, so it will show your IP address, like so this is your IP address, this is your subnet mask, and this is your default gateway. So this is either in local domain or all the information, basic information, you will get it from IP config. So that's the run command, software for run command. Let's go to quick access tool. So whenever you press Windows plus X, so it will open the quick access tool. So this quick access tool is very important in IT. Like for example, if you want to go system, you can quickly go device manager, network connection, disk management, computer management, command prompt, task manager. So I must say this is one of the very crucial shortcut that you can use every day in your work. So yeah, so rename file. So whenever you want to rename the file, definitely when you right click and rename, so you can do it, but there is a shortcut to rename the file. So if you press this, select this folder, and if you press F2, look at this one, it will already take you to the rename files. So definitely you must know Ctrl A. So whenever you go enter in any folder and you want to select all the files from the folder, so you can go Ctrl plus A and it will select all these files. So similarly, so navigate parent folder. So definitely if you go here and if you want to go to the parent folder, so Alt plus up arrow, so it will go to the parent folder. So this is our parent folder. So this also very important. So this parent folder also got root folder. So sometimes whenever like your client is asking to move one file to the root file or something like that, so you don't need to go one folder back to back one by one. So you can just press Alt plus up arrow and it will take you to the root folder or my parent folder. So search file, Ctrl plus F. Like for example, if you want to find some kind of files, so you can go easily Ctrl plus F, so it will direct you to the search tools. So this is very important as well whenever you try to find lots of data as or whenever you try to find one particular data from big files, so it is very useful. Let's go to screenshot tools. Windows key plus Shift plus S. Like if you want to do a screenshot, so you can just press Windows Shift plus S. So sometimes I think this is the older version, some version doesn't support, but mostly if you are using Windows 11 and also definitely Windows Shift and S, so it will open. So sometimes if it doesn't work, sniffing tools. Let's go. So that's the one I was talking for. Yeah, so you can copy, you can paste. This is very useful tool, sniffing, especially if you are working as a IT support. You might need to take this as a proof, so it will be used every day. Open network settings. So like for example, if you want to open network setting, Windows plus I, yeah, it will take you to the network and internet. So, and you can check your adapters, you can do like whatever the extra things, so it will easily open you to this one. So another one is show desktops. Like for example, if you have lots of files open here, so if you press Windows plus D, it will take you to the desktop. So that's also very useful tools in day-to-day work. Alright, so yeah, switch. So like for example, you have like lots of things opening here, let's say. So if you want to switch, so you can press Alt plus Tab. So you can see like what all these things are opening. Yeah, so Alt plus Tab to switch the windows. And copy paste. Yeah, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I think everyone is aware about this. Like for example, if you want to copy this folder to here, Ctrl V. So this folder, subfolder, so for example, let's create one file here, contact. Alright, asks me to, let's create another folder inside here. Alright, so if you want to press this one, yeah, it will copy and paste. That's the shortcut. Pretty much, I believe everyone aware about these things. Okay, so clear command, CMD screen. So whenever you go, let's go to the CMD. IPM. So mostly CLS also work. So if you want to clear the command screen, CMD screen, so CLS it work. But most few other version also support Ctrl plus L. So let's go now. So at the end, let's recap everything. So shortcut boost efficiency and save times. Like as you already see this one, for example, if you want to open settings and go to like network, so it will take lots of times, but you can do these things very easily with shortcut. So there are also a few other shortcuts that is useful, but these are very essential, like every day. Like if you want to open the network, you can go open the network, copy paste. That's the basic shortcuts that will be used every day in your working life. So yeah, so just practice. So that will make you expert on this thing. So that's what I can say. And there are a few other things, like if you really want like few other shortcuts or other extra information regarding IT and IT support engineering, so definitely do like, share and subscribe to IT Gateway for more tech tips, and just write it down in comments. Let me know whatever you really want to learn more, so I'm happy to make the video next time. And thank you for your time. Thank you.